Hello and welcome to a new tutorial from Digidesignresort. My name is Monia. I'm the owner of Digidesignresort, and in this video I want to show you how to create this beautiful vintage lantern as a gift for your friends or family members or as a home decoration for yourself. Maybe you know that this month we are on a break from our Creative World Tour and we stay at home at the Digidesignresort Island, and there we take care of our vintage collection where you can do so many lovely crafts with. Please check out the link below to get the vintage paper and the pattern from our vintage collection for free. In this tutorial, we will create the vintage lantern from the Vintage Fantasy Collection Papers 1. And I will show you step by step how you can do that. Please, first of all, print out the PDF I listed below. Basically, you just need the templates, which means the paper, and on the back side, you will need the template to cut out. Then you, of course, need a scissor, some adhesive tape, a bone folder, which is optional but it makes life easier, and a cutter. A ruler will also help a lot. Once you have all the tools together, we can get started. A cutting mat will also help you a lot when you try to get rid of the diamonds in the lantern template. First of all, we start by cutting out the template for now. I use the point of the bone folder to go over the lines here to make my life easier when I try to fold that all, because the paper is a bit hard because it is thick as cardstock, so it's a good idea to use a bone folder, and it's a good idea to have it pre-scribed here and mark it so you can easily fold it in just a second here. Now we need to get rid of the diamonds, and that is the hardest part in this work. You need to go over the lines and then you need to get it out without destroying the edges. So make sure you go over it with a cutter, and then you can easily get rid of these diamonds from your template. Once you're rid of all the diamonds from the first part, you know you need to do it all again. So grab the second template and start all over, and then we grab the adhesive tape and put it on the background and on the edges and glue it all together. Now I put in the T LED light because of course you cannot put a real candle inside, and then we start to add the holes here. I put a thread through the hole so I can put it together and easily open it again when I want to turn the light on or off. So now your first basic lantern is ready, but you know, that's just the tip of the iceberg. You can of course add some decoration here. I put on some lavender. You can put something completely different because you need to change that fresh lavender again and again, but it shouldn't be the only one you create. Make a series of lanterns and you know, they look really great in your home. Just to give you an idea, they also make a great gift, and if nothing else, but you can sell them. I'm sure you can do that in different Facebook groups, for example. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and we go on with more vintage tutorials from this vintage collection.